Honorable Chairman of Telangana Legislative Council, Honorable Speaker of Telangana Legislative Council, Honorable members of the Council and Legislative Assembly, warm greetings to the country. The inclusive and comprehensive development of Telangana has become a role model for the country. The state is progressing in a phenomenal manner on every front. The extraordinary success of the state of Telangana is due to the blessings of the people, the skillful administration by the Honorable Chief Minister, the hard work of the people's representatives, and the dedication shown by the government employees. There was a time when the state suffered due to power cuts and darkness across the state. Today, due to efforts made and hard work done by my government, there is 24 hours power supply and there is brightness and light everywhere. There was a time when the entire agriculture sector was distressed. Today, the state is able to supply food to the rest of the country and has become the granary of the country. There was a time when people used to fight for every drop of water. From there, the state today is able to supply treated and safe drinking water through taps to every household of the state. There was a time when rural areas presented a picture of poverty and distress. From that today, Telangana villages are completely transformed and have become models with a very high quality of life. Telangana today is investor friendly, attracts the top class companies and multinationals in IT and other sectors.